Huawei looks like it could already be working on its next tri-folding foldable, possibly called the Mate XT2. A new leak is pointing to upgrades in a few key areas like performance, battery life, cameras, and even durability. To give some context, their first tri-folding smartphone, the Mate XT Ultimate, first launched in China back in September 2024, then later got a global release in February 2025. After that, Huawei followed it up with the Mate XTs in China around September 2025. Now, this next version is expected to build on everything from those earlier models, with a newer chip, a bigger battery, a better hinge, and other improvements that should make the whole tri-folding design feel more usable in everyday life. Based on a post shared on Weibo by a tipster known as Hyperdimensional Realm, the Mate XT2 could arrive sometime in October this year. The device is expected to come with a Kirin 9050 Pro chipset, which should bring better overall performance and improved on-device AI features compared to before. The same leak also mentions that the battery could be larger than 6,000 mAh. That would be a noticeable step up from the 5,600 mAh battery used in the previous Mate XT Ultimate, and it suggests Huawei is trying to push battery life further, especially for a device with such a large folding display. On the camera side, the Mate XT2 is said to offer imaging performance similar to what's seen in the Mate X7 series. There aren't any confirmed details yet, but earlier reports hint at a setup that could include a 50-megapixel main camera, along with extra lenses for ultra-wide shots and telephoto zoom. Another area that might see improvement is the hinge. The leak claims Huawei has made some notable changes here, which could help with durability and make the folding experience feel smoother over time. There's also mention of stylus support, which would be useful for things like note-taking, drawing, or general productivity on a bigger screen. For now, though, it's worth noting that Huawei hasn't officially confirmed the Mate XT2 yet, so everything is still based on leaks and early reports. Looking back at the current model, the Mate XT Ultimate runs on Harmony OS 4.2 and comes with a tri-folding LTPO OLED display that can expand up to 10.2 inches. It's powered by the Kirin 9010 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and storage options going up to 1 TB. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor with variable aperture and optical image stabilization, plus two 12-megapixel lenses for ultra-wide and telephoto shots. It also supports 66-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, along with features like 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.